The waking up freeze is one of the most common issues affecting YouView boxes across the UK. This problem has become increasingly frequent, especially after software updates or power interruptions. This issue affects YouView boxes from all major UK providers. Whether you have a BT TV box, TalkTalk box, or PlusNet Humax device, you may encounter this frustrating problem where your box gets stuck on the waking up screen. When your YouView box displays waking up, it's attempting to complete a complex boot sequence. The system must initialize hardware components, load the operating system, establish internet connectivity, synchronize with YouView servers, and update the electronic program guide. Several factors can cause your YouView box to freeze on the waking up screen. The most common causes include corrupted system files from improper shutdowns, hard drive problems such as mechanical failures or file system corruption, network connectivity issues that prevent server synchronization, overheating leading to system instability, and software conflicts following automatic updates. The good news is that most waking up issues can be resolved using proven troubleshooting methods. In the next section, we'll explore step-by-step solutions that have helped thousands of YouView users get their boxes working again. Now we'll walk through the most effective troubleshooting methods to fix your YouView box when it's stuck on the waking up screen. The first method is a power cycle reset. Start by unplugging your YouView box for at least 30 seconds. While it's unplugged, hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge any residual power. Then reconnect the power cable and turn the box back on. This simple method resolves minor software glitches about 40% of the time. If the power cycle doesn't work, try a factory reset through maintenance mode. Power off and unplug your box, then hold the power button while plugging it back in. Continue holding until the maintenance menu appears on screen. From this menu, select Factory Reset. This method is effective for software-related issues around 70% of the time. For storage-related problems, try hard drive recovery. Access maintenance mode using the same method as before. Then select Fix Hard Drive or Disk Check option. Be patient. This process can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours to complete, but it's worth trying for persistent issues. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are the key strategies to prevent your YouView box from getting stuck on the waking up screen. First, always use your remote control to power off the YouView box properly. Never just unplug it from the wall, as this can corrupt system files and cause boot problems. Restart your YouView box at least once a week. This prevents software buildup and keeps the system running smoothly, reducing the chance of boot failures. Always use a surge protector to shield your YouView box from power spikes and electrical interference. Power-related corruption is one of the leading causes of boot problems. Finally, ensure your YouView box has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, and maintain a stable internet connection for smooth software updates. Following these prevention strategies will significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing boot issues with your YouView box.